In this video, I will show you how to make your own laser tripwire from nothing but some simple Arduino parts. For this project, you will need 4 things: a laser pointer, a photoresistor, an Arduino, and some sort of buzzer. I tried to use a gun instead of the buzzer, but in the end, it didn't work out. You can get the gist of the code right here. The photoresistor tells the computer if the laser is shining or not, and if not, the buzzer turns on. And if you're a nerd and actually want to build this, you can go to the description and find the code and schematics there. Okay, so now, a ton of cables later, if the light is shining on the circuit, the gun doesn't shoot. Take it away, and it shoots right away.